Hello to all from Jessie's Cookbook. Looking for that perfect crunchy addition to your Christmas platter? So today we are making Goan Kormolas. These beautiful little treats look just like star fruit and are surprisingly easy to make. It's a classic favorite that brings back so many holiday memories. So let's get started. Here's a quick look at the ingredients. Flour 2 cups, powdered sugar 1 cup, 1 egg, ghee 3 tablespoons, rava 2 tablespoons, coconut milk half cup, and salt 1/4 teaspoon. These are the tools we'll be using to make the kormolas. Let's get to making the dough. Add 2 cups of maida to a mixing bowl. Then add rava 2 tablespoons. Then add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Then add 50 grams sugar. Again, mix it well. Then add 1 egg. Mix it very nicely. Once that's done, add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. And then add milk little by little. Knead well and make a pliable dough with this. Once it comes together, cover it with a damp cloth or plate and let it rest for 15 minutes. This is very crucial as it allows the rava to absorb moisture so your kormolas turn out crunchy and not hard. After 15 minutes, dust your surface with a little flour and roll the dough as thin as possible. The thinner the dough, the crispier the kormolas. Cut the sheet into small squares. I would say about 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Now bring two opposite corners together and press them firmly to seal. Now take the other two open corners, pull them towards the center and press them down on top of the first seal. Finally, give the two pointed ends a gentle twist. It should look like a little flower bud or a star fruit. Make sure those centers are sealed tight. Use a dab of water if you need to, as you can see how I've done, so they don't pop open while frying. Heat your oil on a medium-low flame. Drop a tiny piece of dough in. If it rises to the top in a few seconds, we are ready. Fry them slowly on low to medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. We want them to cook all the way through. Take them out when they are a nice golden color. Don't wait for them to get too dark, as they will continue to brown slightly as they cool down. And there you have it, golden, crunchy, sweet kormolas, ready for Christmas. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Christmas recipes. Merry Christmas and a happy cooking!